Good morning everyone and welcome to Transfer It General Mall located at Angeles City, Pampanga. We specialize in custom t-shirt, polo shirt, uniform, and all-over print sublimation printing, unique gifts, corporate giveaway, and personalized product using our printing services like digital printing, embroidery, and silkscreen. Tara, pasok tayo sa aming Facebook page for more info. Narito po ang aming pin post. Naglalagay po kami ng mga caption and relatable hashtag na makakatulong sa aming Facebook page. Narito po ang aming mga information regarding sa aming location, contact number, email address, and ang aming website. We are open every day from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Narito po ang aming harap ng store. Kami po ay makikita sa upper ground floor General Mall, Angeles City, Pampanga, beside Japan Homes. Narito naman po ang aming first promo, ang aming poly canvas bag which is 150 pesos lamang po. Ito po ay naka-promo valid until February 18, 2024. Naka-indicate naman po sa aming picture ang mga promo mechanics. Isa pa pong promo namin ay when you buy 5, you can take 1. Narito po ang mga information regarding po sa aming polo canvas at ang mga relatable hashtag. Second naman po na aming promo ay ang aming white mug for only 150 pesos with print na po siya at may pre-box. Ang next naman po namin ang buy 2 get 1 free na aming family shirt. Ito po ay nakakahalaga ng 499. Ito po ay valid until February 29, 2024. For more mechanics or information, narito po sa aming Facebook page. Ang aming fourth promo naman po ay ang aming celebrant t-shirt. For 3,000 worth of souvenir, makakakuha ka po ng isang free na t-shirt. Narito po ang promo mechanics kung gusto nyo pong sumali or gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng aming promo. Narito rin po ang mga available design na pwede nyong i-download or makita sa aming brochure. Just visit us upper ground floor General Mall Santo Rosario beside Japan Homes po. Ang promo po neto ay mag-end until further notice. Narito naman po ang aming 50% off sa aming regular vinyl which is 75 pesos at ang aming special vinyl na 100 pesos. Naka-indicate din po ang mga information regarding po sa aming special promo na 50% off on vinyl print. Last but not the least, ang aming reward card. Narito ang mechanics para makakuha ng free t-shirt. You can automatically avail your reward card after your first purchase with a minimum spend of 200. One stop for every regular price t-shirt with custom print or item worth 200 and up. Discounted transaction will be equivalent to one stop only. For more information, you can visit us General Angeles City, Pampanga, beside Japan Homes. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat!